When I was growing up, I mean, Sunday was all about the food and the grilling, and my grandfather did the grilling and my grandmother did all the cold sides, so together it was kind of a perfect match. He knew that we only got Sundays together. The family was kind of spread apart, everybody was busy. He always had everything ready when we got there because it wasn't really about the food or the grill, it was about spending time together. This is pretty much the way we do it at the Greenwald home. We don't have a lot of time. We need to cook fast, cook delicious, and make everybody happy so we can spend time with each other. We're gonna go ahead and get that on. Oh yeah. There's nothing like fresh vegetables and beef. And you can see we use every square inch of the grill. I do this family style at the house a lot because most of these things are gonna come out about the same time. So I think about timing a lot to get back to that sweet spot where you're hanging out with your children and your family. Well, that's all there is to it. Now let's get to the best part, the eating.